Welcome to Healthy Doc Top 10. Have you ever pondered the connection between your health and your wealth? In the hustle and bustle of our fast-paced world, we often overlook this crucial correlation, but let's take a moment to explore it. Picture your body as a well-oiled machine. When it's in good health, it runs smoothly, enabling you to perform at your best. Whether you're an entrepreneur, an employee, or even a student, being in tip-top shape can significantly boost your productivity. And in a world where time is money, this increase in productivity can translate directly into financial success. But it's not just about the here and now. Good health is also an investment in your it can mean fewer medical bills, less time off work, and a longer, more fulfilling life. By the end of this video, expect to have gained a new perspective on why good health can be the best investment you can ever make. Dive into the world of statistics to understand the deep-seated relationship between health and wealth. Imagine a world where health and wealth aren't two separate entities, but rather two sides of the same coin. This isn't a fantasy, but a reality that statistics and studies continue to highlight. It's a world where good health isn't just a personal achievement, but a financial asset. A study conducted by the Harvard School of Public Health discovered that individuals who maintain good health were more likely to accumulate wealth over their lifetimes compared to those with poorer health. More than this, the study found that those with better health had higher savings and were less likely to retire early due to health reasons. On the other side of the coin, the economic impact of poor health can be staggering. The World Health Organization estimates that non-communicable diseases, such as heart disease and diabetes, will cost the global economy a staggering $22 trillion over the next 2 decades. This is more than the annual GDP of the United States, China, and Japan combined. But it's not just about the macroeconomic level. Poor health can impact personal wealth as well. Think about the costs of healthcare, the loss of income due to illness, and the potential financial burden of long-term care. These can all have a significant impact on an individual's financial situation. Moreover, a study by the National Bureau of Economic Research found that those in poor health had significantly less wealth at retirement age. This was due to a combination of higher medical expenses and lower earnings throughout their working lives. So the connection between health and wealth isn't just about the money you save on doctor's bills when you're healthy. It's about the increased earning potential, the higher savings, and the financial stability that come with good health. It's clear that health is not just a personal matter, but a financial one as well. It's a critical piece of the wealth puzzle that many of us overlook. And it's a piece that could make all the difference in our financial futures. As the numbers suggest, health and wealth are more intertwined than you may have initially thought. Think of health as a long-term investment with significant returns. This isn't just a catchy phrase, it's a perspective shift that can transform your life. When we talk about health as an investment, we're not just talking about spending money on gym memberships, organic food, or the latest wellness trends. We're talking about dedicating time, effort, and resources to nurture your well-being. It's about making choices today that will pay off tomorrow, next year, and decades from now. So what are the dividends of this investment? Well, one of the most noticeable is increased work productivity. A healthy body and mind are primed for optimal performance. You'll find that you can focus better, think more clearly, and have more energy to tackle your tasks. Over time, this can lead to career advancement, higher income, and greater financial security. Next, there's the benefit of decreased healthcare costs. It's no secret that medical bills can quickly drain your savings. But by maintaining good health, you can significantly reduce your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. This doesn't mean you'll never need medical care, but it does mean you're less likely to need expensive, long-term treatment. And then, there's the improved quality of life. Good health isn't just about living longer, it's about living better. It's about having the vitality to enjoy your golden years, to travel, to play with your grandchildren, to pursue hobbies, and to live independently. There's no price tag you can put on these experiences, but they are undoubtedly a return on your health investment. In the world of finance, we often talk about the power of compound interest. The idea that the earlier you start investing, the more your money grows. The same principle applies to health. The earlier you start taking care of your health, the greater the benefits you'll reap. This isn't about quick fixes or short-term goals. It's about making a lifelong commitment to your well-being. As with any investment, the earlier you start investing in your health, the higher the returns you can expect. So start today, your future self will thank you. Now, let's flip the coin and see the other side, the cost of poor health. Imagine a leaky faucet in your home. It may seem insignificant at first, but over time, those tiny drops accumulate into a significant amount of water. Similarly, poor health can act as a constant leak, draining your financial resources bit by bit. For starters, the direct costs associated with poor health can be staggering. High medical costs such as hospital stays, medications, and treatments can quickly add up. It's like a floodgate opening, and your hard-earned savings can quickly wash away. But the financial implications of poor health extend beyond direct medical costs. They creep into your work life too. When you're unwell, you may need to take time off work, leading to lost wages. And even when you're on the job, if you're not at your best, your productivity may suffer. This can lead to missed opportunities for promotions or salary increases. Now let's consider the economic burden of chronic diseases. These long-term conditions are like a slow but constant drain on your finances. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, 7 out of 10 deaths in the United States each year are due to chronic diseases. These diseases also account for 75% of the nation's healthcare spending. That means 3/4 of every dollar spent on healthcare is used to manage these long-term conditions. Poor health doesn't just affect individuals, it impacts the economy as a whole. When productivity decreases and healthcare costs rise, it can lead to a decreased standard of living and economic instability. It's a ripple effect that starts with individual health and extends to the financial health of the entire nation. So, while it may seem like maintaining good health is just about feeling good physically, it's also about protecting your financial well-being. It's about preventing that leak before it starts, or closing it up before it turns into a flood. Clearly, ignoring health can lead to a significant financial drain. Let's now focus on how to build wealth through healthy habits. First off, regular exercise. It's not just about looking good or staying fit. Regular exercise boosts your energy, enhances your mood, and improves your productivity. When you're more productive, you're more likely to excel in your career or business, which translates to financial growth. Walking, running, yoga, weightlifting. Choose an activity that you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Next, a balanced diet. Consuming nutrient-rich foods keeps your body functioning at its best. It boosts your immune system, keeping you away from sickness and saving you from medical expenses. It also improves your concentration and energy levels, helping you perform better at work or in your business. So fill your plates with fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Then we have sufficient sleep. It's not a luxury, it's a necessity. Lack of sleep can lead to serious health issues like heart disease and diabetes, which can be financially draining. Plus, when you're well rested, you're more alert and can make better decisions, including financial ones. So aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Last, but definitely not the least, regular health checkups. These can help detect potential health issues before they become serious. Early detection often means easier treatment, which can save you a lot of money in the long run. So schedule regular appointments with your healthcare provider and stay on top of your health. These habits might seem simple, but they can have a significant impact on your financial situation. It's like investing in a high-yield savings account, but this time, you're investing in your health. The returns, longer life, less sickness, and more wealth. So start today. Incorporate these habits into your daily routine. Remember, it's not about making drastic changes overnight. It's about making small, consistent steps towards a healthier and wealthier you. Remember, small changes can lead to big results over time. Insurance, a vital tool, serves as a safety net in your journey towards financial success. Now, we're going to dive into the importance of health insurance in protecting against unforeseen medical costs. Think of health insurance as a parachute. If you're leaping into the unknown, wouldn't you feel more confident if you had a parachute strapped to your back? In much the same way, health insurance provides that sense of security when navigating the unpredictable landscape of health and wellness. Health insurance isn't just about paying for doctor's visits or prescriptions. It's about safeguarding your financial stability against the unexpected. A sudden illness or accident can lead to staggering medical bills. Without the safety net of health insurance, These unforeseen costs can deplete your savings, derail your financial goals, and leave you in a precarious position. Now, let's talk about the financial benefits of having a good health insurance plan. First off, it's all about preventive care. With comprehensive health insurance, you're more likely to get regular checkups and screenings. This early detection can nip potential health issues in the bud, saving you from hefty medical bills down the line. Next up, let's consider the cost of hospitalization. An overnight stay at a hospital can cost thousands of dollars. But with a robust health insurance plan, a significant portion of these costs can be covered. This means you can focus on getting better instead of worrying about how you're going to pay the bill. Furthermore, health insurance can cover a wide range of services, from mental health support to physical therapy, from prescription drugs to maternity care. These benefits can contribute to your overall wellness. And as we've discussed before, good health is a catalyst for wealth accumulation. In conclusion, health insurance isn't an expense, it's an investment. It's an investment in your health, your future, and your financial stability. It provides peace of mind, knowing that you're protected against the financial fallout of unexpected health issues. Thus, health insurance can be a crucial part of your financial plan. It's not just about safeguarding your health, it's about safeguarding your wealth. As we near the end, it's time to tie everything together. Just as the threads of a tapestry are interwoven to create a beautiful work of art, so too are the aspects of health and wealth intertwined in our lives. We've embarked on a journey, exploring the profound connection between health and wealth and examining the ways in which this relationship can shape our future. We've delved into the crucial correlation between maintaining good health and financial success. The reality is that good health and wealth aren't isolated aspects of our lives. They feed into each other, creating a cycle of well-being that influences every facet of our existence. We've also unveiled the long-term benefits of investing in health as a means to wealth. In the grand scheme of things, good health isn't just about feeling good today. It's about securing a financially stable tomorrow. It's about having the energy, the vitality, and the longevity to enjoy the fruits of our labor. But we've also touched upon the darker side of the coin, the financial drain that poor health can cause. The expenses that come with illness can be a significant setback, not just in terms of money, but also in terms of time and emotional well-being. It's a harsh reality, but one that underscores the importance of preventive health measures. We've discussed building wealth through good health, creating a safety net that not only catches us when we fall, but also propels us forward. By investing in our health, we're investing in our future. We're ensuring that we have the means to live a fulfilling life, free of financial worry. So let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned and consider how we can put this knowledge into action. Let's start investing in our health today, not just for the immediate benefits, but for the long-term financial gains. Let's make our health our priority. Remember, when it comes to financial success, your health is your greatest asset. Scene script. Before we sign off, here's what you can do next. One of the most profound investments you can make is in your health. It's not just about hitting the gym or counting calories. It's a holistic approach that encompasses your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. So where do you start? Consider making small, manageable changes in your daily routines. Try incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your meals. Opt for a brisk walk or bike ride instead of driving short distances. Don't shy away from those 7 to 8 hours of beauty sleep. Your body and mind need that downtime to rejuvenate and repair themselves. It's also essential to manage stress effectively. Whether it's through meditation, yoga, or simply reading a book, find what works for you. Remember, your mental health is just as important as your physical health. Now, this may seem overwhelming at first, but remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Start small and gradually build up. Over time, these tiny changes will accumulate into a healthier lifestyle that will pay dividends down the line. Education is key. Stay informed about the latest health and wellness trends, read books, watch documentaries, follow reputable health blogs, and listen to podcasts. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your health. We also encourage you to schedule regular checkups with your healthcare provider. Prevention is better than cure. And early detection can save you from a lot of potential heartaches, not to mention hefty medical bills. Take advantage of health apps and wearable technology. They can help you monitor your heart rate, sleep patterns, calorie intake, and physical activity levels. They're like having a personal health coach right at your fingertips. Finally, remember that investing in health is a lifelong journey. It's not a sprint, but a marathon, and it's never too late to start. Invest in your health today and reap the benefits tomorrow. Your financial future depends on it. And remember, health is the true wealth that no amount of money can buy. So make that investment today for a healthier, wealthier tomorrow.